On further examination of the damaged area, we can see the damage is more extensive than initially thought, especially in comparison to a similar area. Carbon fibre is ordinarily layered to form a laminate. It is likely the screw, when puncturing the tyre, has separated these layers. We are going to be applying PTFE tape to the area, so it's best to thoroughly degrease the area to ensure good adhesion using IPA spray. PTFE tape has been applied and covers both the damaged area and existing spoke openings. We then apply a 2-part silicone putty so we can make a form that matches the profile of the wheel. This is going to help us in the subsequent stages of the repair, as we will see a bit later. We degrease the area again and apply 2 plies of carbon fibre in the area where we applied the tape. We will use this carbon fibre to create a template to locate the spoke opening. This is because we are going to be covering the area that was damaged. The silicone form we previously made is now reinserted to ensure the carbon fibre is pressed firmly against the wheel profile and the 2 plies of carbon fibre consolidate. We now remove the silicone, and having left the carbon fibre for a couple of hours to ensure it has cured, we can now remove our laminate. The laminate has been trimmed and is now ready to be used as a template. Now we have our template, we can continue to remove the damaged material. As we can see, it is a much larger area than just the initial puncture. In addition to the template, we have made an additional 2-ply laminate using the same process as before. This piece will be bonded over the area where the damage was removed. This is to ensure that when we apply further carbon fibre layers, they don't push through, and to create a well consolidated carbon laminate that doesn't have any voids or gaps. These can create weaknesses in the carbon fibre laminate. Having bonded this laminate in place, we then blend it to ensure a smooth transition over this area. Ordinarily, when we repair carbon fibre, we use carbon fibre that is pre-impregnated with resin when manufactured, following the same process as bike manufacturers, including vacuum bagging and oven curing our repairs. This is to ensure the correct ratio of resin to cloth and improves the accuracy when applying the carbon fibre during the repair process. Unfortunately, this process is not followed by all carbon fibre repair companies, with Carbon Cycle Solutions the only repair company in the UK to do so. On this occasion, due to the location of the damage, we have opted to use a carbon fibre cloth and epoxy resin that we have applied ourselves in a wet layup method. Note, we have changed the orientation of the cloth to improve the strength of the laminate. The laminated area will now require blending, and we can use our template to mark out the spoke opening. The repair has been blended and is now ready for the application of rim tape.
Carbon Cycle Solutions. We inspect, we repair, we paint, we perfect.